Hello everyone and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today I'm going to show you how to make popsicle stick bracelets. That's right, they're bracelets made from popsicle sticks. Amazing! For this, you are going to need some popsicle sticks, a glass, some stationery stickers and tape, some thread, and that's it. First of all, we're going to head to the hob. We're going to boil some water. We're not cooking food though, we are going to cook our popsicle sticks. So pop them in the water. This is going to soften them so we can bend them. Once they've been boiling for 15 to 20 minutes, take the sticks out of the water. It's very hot though, so you'll need to be careful. Let them cool slightly, and then we're going to bend them. We're going to use the inside of the glass as a mold. Isn't that cool? We want to bend them around and push them down. It's a bit fiddly, but you'll get the hang of it. Then we're going to set them aside and let the popsicle sticks dry. Once they've dried, you'll see that they're in this amazing shape. Perfect for a bracelet. Now we need to decorate. I'm using some tape on this one. I'm going to make it purple. I have some fantastic lace pattern tape that I'm sticking over the top. Awesome! There are so many different ways that you can decorate your popsicle stick bracelets. You could use paint, stickers, anything. I'm going to use some ribbon on this one. I've put some glue down and then I'm simply covering it. So pretty. You could make bracelets to match your hair. Smooth it down. I'm also going to add some string on this one too. Putting a bit of glue on the inside, I can wrap the string around and create this amazing pattern. Super cute! Guys, this is looking awesome! Can you believe that these bracelets are made from popsicle sticks? There is no limit to the amount of different decorations that you could do on your popsicle stick bracelets. Remember guys, get creative! Don't they look cool? Here are some other ones I've done. Super cute! Popsicle stick bracelets. What fun! Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing arts and crafts. They are toilet paper tube birds. Can you believe it? These are made from toilet paper tubes. So obviously you're going to need a toilet paper cardboard tube. You're also going to need some card, some glue and a pen, paintbrushes and paint. And that's it. So let's get started. First up, I'm taking my cardboard tube and I'm squishing it at the top. We're creating the ears of our little birds, and it's super easy. Once you've folded it down, put a bit of glue on and then stick it so that it's secure. If you want to leave it to dry, you can always use some bulldog clips to hold it in place. Now I'm taking some orange card. I'm going to draw the different shapes I need. I've got a beak and 2 feet. Using my scissors, I'm going to cut these out. These birds are super easy to make. And they're super fun. You've probably got all of these items lying around the house already. Now the final thing I need to make are some wings. I'm using pink card to draw these. Once you've finished drawing them, cut them both out. We also need some giant owl eyes. You can make your eyes look whichever way you want. Cut them out once you're happy. Now it's time to paint the body of our owl. I'm going to use bright pink because it's super cute, but first up I'm going to use a light pink to paint the tummy. Once you're happy with the tummy, we can paint the rest of the bird. You can take the bulldog clips off now because the ears are dry. I love this bright pink. It's super cool. Keep painting. We want to cover the whole bird. Wow, it's looking great. Well done, everyone. Nearly there. Don't forget the back. Now let's set that aside to dry. Once it's dry, all we need to do now is stick on our bits of card. We've got the eyes, and we've got the beak. We've also got the super cute feet. And finally, of course, the wings. Our bird is looking amazing. Can you believe it's made from a toilet paper roll? I almost can't. Wait for the glue to dry and that's it! A super cute little toilet paper bird. You can do them in any size and any colour you like. Here are some more that I've made. What colours are you going to use? And there you have it, toilet paper tube birds. Amazing! Today we are going to be making a sparkly princess crown. So, what you'll need for this is some pink card, some scissors, a black pen, a stapler, and some plastic jewels. So the first thing you want to do is draw the outline of your crown. You can make this as big or as small as you like, depending on who you're making the crown for. Next, we're going to cut it out. Now, it's time to decorate. I've got some sparkly jewels, but you can decorate it however you want. You can use textures, pencils, you could use paint, glitter glue. Whatever you want to do is completely up to you. Wow, it's starting to look really pretty! Next, you want to staple it together at the back. Make sure it fits the head of the person that you're making it for. I've made mine for my teddy, but you can make it for your mom, your dad, or even yourself. And there you go, a beautiful sparkly princess crown. Today we are going to be making really super cute craft mice. Now these are loads of fun to make and look really great. All you need is some paint, a paintbrush, scissors, toilet rolls, 4 eyes, some mini pom-poms, and some glue. The first thing you want to do is flatten your toilet roll and cut it into strips. Then we're going to paint them. You can use any colour you like, but I've chosen red. Don't forget to let it dry. Now we're going to glue on the pom-poms to make the nose. And then we're going to glue the eyes onto that. Now it's up to you to glue the different toilet rolls on to make different shapes of the body. I've done 2 big ears, 2 little paws, and of course some feet, just like so. Don't forget the tail. And there you have it, really cute craft mice. So simple. We'd love to see you again soon, so keep on watching. Thanks!